Hi guys, so today for math we are going to work on subtraction and I am going to show you a fun game for your parents to maybe help you make so that you guys can do it. And all you really need is a piece of paper. You need a paper to write a 10 frames or to make a 10 frames, and we know that a 10 frames is a bunch of boxes where you have 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom, and that is your 10 frames. You also need a piece of paper that you can cut into pieces and write some math facts on, some subtraction math facts for this one, because that's what we're doing. And remember, subtraction is minus, and minus means take away. And when we take things away, we want to find what's left over, and that means we're looking for the difference. You also need some Play-Doh, and you might need a pencil and another piece of paper to write those number equations on as well. So you will be practicing writing number equations. You will be practicing figuring out how to answer them, and you're going to do some fine motor because you get to roll some Play-Doh balls, and it is our subtraction smash. Now, I know that we started this before everything went down and we didn't get a chance to really do a lot with it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you guys over and I'm going to show you my stuff at the table so that you can see. So I have my 10 frames and I have my number equation, which is blank. You may have to rewrite your equation on each of them because this is laminated. And because it is laminated, I can erase it with my Mr. Clean Sharpie. So I'm going to show you one of my math facts. Now, if you want to, you can go online and make up some, or you can do it on your own. So here's my math facts that I'm going to do first, 10 minus 7. So I'm going to practice writing a number equation. Now, because I have it here, I'll write it on the bottom. If you have a piece of paper, write it somewhere else. So I have 10 minus 7 equals, well, I don't know what that is. I mean, I do know what it is, but we're going to have fun to try to figure out what it is. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to roll 10 balls, Play-Doh balls, because, so I'll put this up here, you see, my number equation is 10 minus 7. So I had already got my 10 balls rolled. And if I make a 10 frame, I know I need to fill every single block. Now, I need to take away 7. So because this is subtraction smash, it means I'm smashing them. And it's like when we count backwards, we're going to start here and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, they're all falling off. 5, 6, 7. So I've smashed 7 of them. That means I have 1, 2, I have 3 that I did not smash that are still balls. So I'm going to write 3. So I know that my answer, 10 minus 7, is 3. Now, I'm going to roll them back up. And that since I'm trying to roll them back up to make them all nice and round again, I'm just going to put them on the top. So they're all put up there. My numbers are raised. I'm going to look for another math fact. Okay, this one says 8 minus 4. So I need to make sure that I put 8 on here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 on there. I'm going to write down my my numerical equation, my number equation, my number sentence. 8 minus 4 equals. That means I get to smash. And I can smash with my fist, but I'm going to smush with my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Then I'm going to take them off, and I'll take the ones I didn't smash off first. I'm going to roll these into balls and put them up there. And then I'm going to erase my number equation. You don't have to worry about erasing it. And I'm going to do another fact. All right, guys. First number I'm going to write is 6. That means I need 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I am going to smash 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have how many left over? 1, 2. I have 2 left over. And I'm going to go and do a couple more, 2 more, so that you can just make sure that you know what you're doing when you do this. And then you guys can practice this. This is something you can do over the weekend. This is something you can do at nighttime. This is something you can do, on your own. You can make up your own number equations. I could sit here and say, you know what happens if I put, and I don't even have to use this. And I can say, okay, I'm going to put 7 on there, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 7. I'm going to put 7. And let's just say I smash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to smash 5. That means I have how many left? 2. I don't have to use the number equations. I can make my own up as long as I'm writing it down. All right, we'll do one more. I'll just put my smashed ones here because we'll see if I need them. I have to erase my numbers, but I can flip it. And let's just flip it to, okay, 9 minus 2. So I'm going to write 9 minus 2. And it's also a good way to practice writing your numbers. Make sure you're not writing them backwards. I'm going to put 9 on here. That's 3. That's 4. Make them a little bit round. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I got to smash 2. 1, 2. That means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 left. So 9 minus 2 equals 7. And there's my answer as they all roll off. All right, guys, so I want you to practice. I want you to work on subtraction, and I want you to have a great day. Take care. Bye.